Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary delights with a focus on the best pumpkin crockpot you can find on the market. The STAUB Ceramic 0.75 Quarts Petite Pumpkin. This charming piece is not just a cooking vessel. It's a stunning addition to your kitchen decor, perfect for fall and beyond. This petite pumpkin dish is truly a work of art. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, it boasts a beautiful burnt orange finish that captures the essence of autumn. The design is inspired by nature, giving it an elegant and whimsical flair that's perfect for serving your favorite dishes or even as a centerpiece for your seasonal gatherings. Whether you're baking, roasting, or serving, this crockpot is sure to impress your guests. What makes the STAUB Pumpkin Crockpot so special is not just its aesthetic appeal but its versatility and functionality. It's safe for use in the oven, microwave, broiler, and freezer, withstanding temperatures of up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're making a hearty pumpkin soup, a comforting casserole, or simply reheating leftovers, this dish has you covered. The design of this crockpot includes convenient, easy grip handles that ensure safe and comfortable maneuvering from the oven to your table. Imagine serving a delicious pumpkin spice casserole right from this gorgeous dish. Talk about a conversation starter. Plus, its moisture-resistant stoneware won't absorb moisture, ensuring that your food retains its flavor and texture. Let's not forget about cleanup. After a delightful meal, you can easily hand-wash this piece to maintain its beautiful finish. The highly scratch-resistant surface ensures that it stays looking brand new, meal after meal. Now, this isn't just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. The STAUB pumpkin dish can effortlessly transition from oven to table, allowing you to present your dishes beautifully. Whether you're hosting a cozy dinner or a festive gathering, this crockpot will be a standout piece on your table. And don't be afraid to get creative. While it's perfect for all your fall recipes, its charming design makes it suitable for year-round use. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. Use it for baking, serving, or even as a decorative piece when not in use. So, if you're looking for a versatile, functional, and stylish crockpot that embodies the spirit of the season, the STAUB Ceramic Petite Pumpkin is undoubtedly a fantastic choice. It's not just a cooking dish, it's a celebration of fall, family, and good food. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more amazing kitchen gadgets and cookware, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, happy cooking!